How would I heal after a breast lift surgery? What is the expected timeline of recovery? This is a question I get asked very often during my consults, and in this video, I'm going to answer these frequently asked questions regarding a breast lift surgery. Hi, I'm Dr. Mrinalini Sharma. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Estevo Cosmetic Clinic, Saket. So today, let's answer all your queries regarding the timeline after a breast lift surgery. So first, let's discuss who requires a breast lift. Breast lift surgery जो है is required by a person who has developed sagging breast, and इसका most common कारण होता है post pregnancy and post breastfeeding changes in women. Also, another category of patients is people who have lost a lot of weight following, say, a bariatric surgery or by dieting and exercise, and are now left with loose, sagging breast. So these patients or the patients who are post-pregnancy and post-lactation are the candidates for a breast lift surgery. So let us see how the recovery after a breast lift looks like. Breast lift surgery will basically entail a hospital stay of 1 or 2 days depending upon the extent of the lifting and also whether it involved any reduction in the volume. So usually 1-2 दिन का time होता है जो आप hospital में admitted रहते हो. After that, we discharge you on painkillers and antibiotics, जिसका time duration roughly 7 days का होता है, and also some multivitamins to enhance healing. So medications are about for 1 week. The first dressing change would be usually on the 3rd day, where we would be removing drains अगर हमने drains डाले हैं, and also changing your dressing. After that, there will be a period of about 2 weeks in which you would be required to visit our clinic for dressing changes and for routine inspections. And if there are any stitches, we will also remove them in the coming 2 weeks period. There is no period of bed rest, and you can go about doing your routine activities quite comfortably from, say, day 3. So the period from for which you need to abstain from your routine activities is really very short in a breast lift. A very common question I get asked is, Doctor, बहुत दर्द तो नहीं होगा? Again, breast lift is essentially a painless surgery. इनफैक्ट जो सिम्टम्स होते हैं जिसकी वजह से लोग रिडक्शन कराते हैं, लिफ्ट कराते हैं, जैसे कि नेक पेन या शोल्डर पेन, खास करके रिडक्शन के केसेस में, इनसे रिलीफ पेशेंट को ऑलमोस्ट इंस्टेंट होता है एंड ड्रामेटिक होता है. सो डोंट एंटिसिपेट कि हमें बहुत दर्द होगा या अनबेरेबल पेन होगा. इट इज़ अ वेरी manageable post-operative course, and routine painkillers are all what you need, and that is also for just about a period of 7 days. What to expect? So since it is a surgery in which we have removed skin and we have reshaped your breast, bruising hogi, swelling bhi hogi. Ek aur cheez jo hoti hai which can happen is temporary changes in nipple sensation, which is again a question which my patients ask me very frequently as to are these changes permanent? So in breast lifting, whatever changes you might perceive in nipple sensation are just because of the nerves getting manipulated during the surgery, and एक बहुत temporary feature है. Usually patients will have full return of sensations by about 6 weeks, or sometimes in case 3 months, and in some cases you will not have any changes in nipple sensation whatsoever. The third question is whether I can resume office in a short downtime of, say, about a week, 10 days. Again, as I said, this is a procedure where pain is not a major issue, and patients are usually ready to return to work after a week's time or so. The other thing which I would want to emphasize is that, like all major plastic surgery procedures, आपको gymming or exercise से restrain करना पड़ेगा. Would also be making you wear sports bra for a period of 6 weeks, which provides a very good support. And आपको हम वो 6 weeks से लेके in some cases up to 3 months continue करने को बोलेंगे, especially जब हम lifting को reduction के साथ combine कर रहे हैं. Then, as I said, the shape of the breast again takes some time to change. So that's again one thing which I keep telling my patients, that initially on bruising की वजह से, swelling की वजह से आपके जो breast हैं बहुत perky लग सकते हैं, या आपको लग सकता है कि एक side का size दूसरे side के size से similar नहीं है, asymmetry है. All this is very common, and it can take almost 3 months for the results to be attractive and also to have complete healing. So this is a period where again you would be requiring to abstain from certain exercises. Also wearing a very good sports bra definitely adds to an early recovery. So this is in a nutshell about how a breast lift procedure looks like. And if you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be glad to answer your questions. This in a nutshell is how a breast lift recovery looks like. And if you have any further questions regarding this procedure, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be very happy to assist you with your queries.